Hi there, students. To cry wolf. To cry wolf. Okay, this is a phrase that means to raise the alarm, to tell everybody there is a danger. But it's not real. It's not a real danger. It's a false alarm. It's an imagined threat. So if somebody cries wolf, then later on, when there is a real emergency, nobody will believe them. Yeah? Okay, so to cry wolf is to complain about something when there's actually nothing wrong. To claim that something bad is happening when it isn't, which means that later on, when there really is a problem, then people say, I don't believe him, he's always crying wolf. Yeah? There's no real crisis, he's just crying wolf. You see, I think one of the problems with global warming is that for many years it has appeared that people are crying wolf. I remember that when I was a kid, people were talking about global warming, and they were saying the planet's going to get hot, the planet's getting hot. And many years passed, and the planet didn't really seem to get hotter, and we really didn't notice. And I get the feeling that many people felt that the ecologists were crying wolf. Yeah, but unfortunately it's not like that. It's just they made these warnings but a long time before, so they didn't get the effect wrong. What they got was the timing and how long it'll take. Okay, so to cry wolf, to claim something bad is happening when it's not, to keep asking for help when you don't need it, which means that people don't help you when you really do need it. If you cry wolf too often, people will just stop believing you. Yeah? Okay, so the origin of this comes from a story by Aesop. There's a shepherd boy who's in the mountains, and he keeps coming and saying, the wolf's coming, the wolf's killing my sheep, and everybody went to help him save the sheep. There was no wolf. And then he does it again, and he does it again, and eventually people just stop believing him. Anyway, the day comes when the wolf really does come and start attacking his sheep. And he goes to the people and he says, help, help, the wolf's killing my sheep. And nobody believes him. And that's the idea of to cry wolf, to give alarm unnecessarily. Yeah? I think very often the media cries wolf because talking about dire futures and dire happenings in the future, it's good. It sells newspapers. Yeah. If you do it too often, then people will actually stop believing, which is the problem. So to cry wolf, to give a false alarm. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, when you've got kids and they say, "Oh, I feel terribly ill. I can't go to school today." Very often they're crying wolf because they just don't want to go to school. They want to play video games or whatever. Yeah, but as a parent, you know when they are crying wolf and when they really are sick. Yeah, it's a very, very different thing. Okay, so to cry wolf, what would I give this informality? To cry wolf, I think 4.5. I think I'm actually going to give it a 5 informality. I think you could use it anywhere. The Aesop's fable is quite classic, so yeah, I think definitely 5 informality. And then the origin, well, the origin comes from the story. The wolf's coming, the wolf's coming. It's not there. Yeah, and then people really actually stop believing you. Okay, so to cry wolf, to say that there's a danger when there is not. Yeah, and then when the danger really is there, people will stop believing you. So to cry wolf, to raise a false alarm. Yeah, to tell people that there's a problem when there isn't, and this changes their attitude. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To cry wolf.